How to go live on TikTok PC. Have you ever wanted to go live on TikTok using your PC? Whether you're a content creator or just looking to engage with your followers from your computer, this guide will show you exactly how to do it. So let's get started. Now, what you need to do is open your TikTok app, or you can also go to the TikTok's website and simply open TikTok and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, here you can find the option that says live. Simply tap on it. Now, as you can see here, you can find various lives that people are in. Now, for you to join their live, you can simply log into your account and simply send them request. But if you want to simply go to live by yourself, what you need to do is go to the upload section. And as I said earlier, you need to log into your account. After that, you'll be able to join live if you have meet the age requirements and the 1,000 followers requirements that is needed to go live. And that's it. That's how you simply go live on TikTok on your PC.